a story about the Rebbe. The Rebbe traveled with a balagula. In their days, they didn't have cars. They have a horse and buggy with a balagula, a driver. And in the middle of the way, the balagula says to the Rebbe that I'm really sorry that I have to go out from the regular way that everybody travels in this because there's traffic. I'm going out from this way. I'm taking a new way in the trees, in the woods. But this new way, this goes back to the old way. You understand my English? My English is not so good. Like in our days, when there's traffic, there's drivers, they sit in the traffic for hours. On the other side, there's drivers, they know the whole area. What? Take a detour. They go out from the regular way, take a new way, but after this old traffic, this way comes back, takes you back to the old way. So the balagula says for the Rebbe, I'm really sorry that I have to go away from this regular way. I have to take a detour because there's traffic. Oh, the Rebbe got excited, and the Rebbe says, this is what I'm doing. They always say that Breslev is a new way. It's not the regular way. It's not the simple way. The Rebbe says, I got off the way, the regular way, but this new way, where I'm taking you, all my Talmidim, this brings you back to the old way.